Welcome to Bricks Kids Live with me, your host Craig, and
Janelle.
we are so happy that you have joined us. Now it's breakfast time.
Breakfast?
We're almost at the end of the show, so I think I can go and have breakfast, can't I? And I think I want egg for breakfast.
So it's lunchtime.
Lunch?
Yeah, you could have it for lunch as well.
Okay.
A salad.
Sometime to eat. So now I have two eggs here, boys and girls. Eggs in the reds. Now I have two eggs here, basically from the same batch, but the difference is, and you can't tell, boys and girls, is that one is boiled and one is not boiled, right? But how do we know the difference? You see, sometimes when we have to endure, we have to go through like what the egg goes through. What is that? To boil an egg, what do you have?
It has to be heated up.
Has to be heated up. And can you imagine being in water, boiling? What would happen to you?
I would be hot.
Hot, and then when it gets hotter and hotter?
Painful,
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
Yes.
And then
And
you
we
might burn.
We would change our skin.
Burn your skin off and everything. But for the egg, no. No, what I'm going to ask you to do, Janelle, you have to be careful. Take one of those eggs, anyone you want to. That one, you try not to crack it. And I want you to stand it up like this. And I want you to spin it. Just spin it around, right? And let go. So let's try again. Okay, so your Janelle is trying to spin out. What I want you to do, I'm going to try this. See that?
Oh, like
Okay.
a pig.
Yeah, so can you try that again?
This way.
Yep, try. Okay, now the second egg, I want you to try and do the same thing. What happened?
It's not doing it.
It's not doing it. I'm also going to try. Let me try. It's not happening. Now, wonder which one of these, Janelle, you think is the boiled egg. Which one? Which one you think is the boiled egg? Remember, you're talking about endurance.
This one. No.
And then when you go to the fire, what will happen? So this one we're trying
You
to...
endure?
You endure and you come out
Oh,
a better...
this one. This one, that.
That one that can spin. Okay, and this one that can't spin,
Is the not cooked or
the
boiled.
not cooked one. Ah,
So I think something has happened on the inside. So the outside of the egg hasn't changed, but the
No.
change has happened on the inside.
wow, Auntie Michelle, isn't that amazing?
Yes.
So this one is hard in the inside, and this one is just like
Soft.
watery.
So we go through the fire and we change. Just to be sure, boys and girls. Janelle, which one did you say? Because you have to be...
This
You sure?
one.
You sure?
This
Okay,
one.
Janelle, if you're so sure, crack that egg for me. And don't mess up the place. Crack it. Crack it. Hit it hard.
What's gonna happen? Splat.
Hit it harder. Hit it harder.
If you're confident.
If
that
you're
it is-
confident, yeah, see?
Yes, it has to be it.
It
then.
has to be. No, what if I do the same with this? What would happen?
Do it.
No, you make a mess.
Yeah.
You make a mess? You
Do
think?
it in this.
Okay, let's see. And look, boys and girls. I'm gonna make sure. Yeah! This was the difference. So, the difference between the eggs was that because one is boiled,
So for me, the boiled egg has endured the heat and the hot water and the turmoil in the when it's boiling as well, and it's come out stronger.
come out
You
stronger.
notice that it's harder on the inside. It's tough. It's endured. Well done. And that's how we should be when we're faced with the trials of life on the outside. We're buffeted. We come out stronger. Sometimes we even adapt so that we can endure.
Endure forever. So, we are going to sing
God's love endures forever.
God's love endures forever. Do comment, tell us what you like, tell us what we could do better. Email them to us at info@brickskids.org, info@brickskids.org, and text us, or you can WhatsApp us 07866437262. Go to our website www.brickskids.org. You can learn more about some of the sessions we have done before, or you can, subscribe to
our YouTube channel and hit the notification button.
So you will be notified when we go live with any of our shows.
Don't forget Friday favorites,
Oh.
7:30 p.m.
Yes. And we just want to thank all of you for joining us.